Oh,
Come eat some breakfast for Titus.
I saw him doing it on the car. That's awesome.
And he's 3.5 years old.
Gotta have her stars. Yes.
There you go, Titus.
Ooh, we get to see the elephant.
He's tired. This makes me cold.
Yeah.
Let's go over. Good job.
The house first. We haven't even looked at it.
I didn't get that.
Right here. Pasta and there's leftover chicken and rice.
Oh yeah, we up there.
And then Sunday, lunch after church.
It was like $7.50 to get in.
That's a picture.
What are you doing?
It's documenting.